Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special announcement for you. But first, I want to wish our friend Mike over at Mike's Model Shop a very happy 50th birthday. Welcome to the Half Century Club, brother. So, I think about 2 weeks ago, Mike approached me with a pretty cool idea in helping to promote channels that have under 1,000 subs. Naturally, being that it's an idea to help promote the modeling community, I jumped on board. Alright, so what Mike proposed was doing a group build only for those channels that have under 1,000 subs. Okay? Mike and I will not be participating as builders, but what we will be doing is promoting your channels. Either by sharing your videos or through our community posts, we're going to be promoting you guys, the builders. Okay? So we're calling it Under 1,000 Group Build. Okay? And we're going to use the hashtag under 1000 GB. So if you jump on board and you're participating, every time you post a progress video, you tag Mike and me, and you use the hashtag under 1000 GB. Okay? Like I said, Mike and I won't be participating, but we'll be keeping an eye out on all you guys and all your progress, and we'll be promoting your channels to try to bump up your subscription rates. So what are the rules? Okay. There are a couple rules, but pretty much I'm going to tell you right now, there is no theme to this build and there are no rules. We want your talent and your skills to shine, so do what you want. Use any kit, any style, any size, whatever you want to do, you build it. Scratch building will be welcome. The only thing that we ask is that you use an unstarted kit. Okay, so whether you got a kit in your stash, you go buy one right now, that's all we care about. Post a video of your unstarted kit. It does not have to be an unboxing video. Just show us what kit you're going to do and keep us posted on your progress. The group build, I have my clip notes here, because when you get to be 50, you start, your memory starts fading. So the group build is going to run from March 1st to May 1st, okay? And you must have under 1,000 subs. However, if you achieve 1,000 subs during the group build, that's okay. Just keep on going, complete your build. Okay, so you can go over to Mike's channel and you can tell him that you're in, or you can comment down below that you're in here. But you must be under 1,000 subs. And this is Mike's and my way of helping to promote the modeling community. So guys, I thank you very much. Head over to Mike's channel, wish him a happy birthday, and if you'd like to participate, let us know. Alright guys.